9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar and automated rain gauges indicated heavy rain. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Around 2 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that will experience flooding include Canton and North Canton. Zimber Ditch has seen a rise this afternoon to 9.6 feet at 5:30 p.m. Flooding has inundated Christ Park and the intersection of Lucille Avenue and Furby Avenue Southwest in North Canton. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Stark, Ohio.